Hi there. So let's say you're searching for something, right? The fastest car in the world. And you're interested in the first three lines. You're like, oh, the fastest car in the world by blah, blah, blah. Sounds cool. You copy it. You just go to something called Hayaku Notes. You can download this on Chrome extension site and type in the name of your note. I would call this fastest car in the world. Boom. I'll paste in my note. That's it. It's done. Auto saved. There's no need to log in. There's no registration. There's the notes that you write are actually saved on your own computer. So there's no cloud connection, nothing like that. Big on privacy. And that's it, guys. It's really that easy. Okay. So go on Chrome extensions right now if you're interested and get your free copy of Hayaku Notes. You can take 50 free notes, which is about 3 months worth of notes. And after that, we'll have a special offer, which is like $5.97 for lifetime use. Okay. No monthly charges, no subscriptions. Simple as that. So hope you enjoy it. No more text edit, no more Apple Notes, no more leaving Chrome for notes. Cheers.